Hey gamers guys, in this video we'll cover how to fix the crashes, lagging, and the performance issues with Dragon Age guys, the Veilguard in 2024. So whether your game is guys constantly crashing or you're experiencing lag and low FPS, I'll walk you through some effective solutions. So let's get started guys. So first things first guys, you want to check your system requirements, make sure that your system either meets or exceeds the game's minimum and recommended system requirements. So if your system doesn't meet these, it can lead to performance issues. So your processor, at least i5 or AMD equivalent, RAM, 8 GB minimum, okay, but 16 GB is recommended. Graphics card, NVIDIA GTX 1060 or AMD Radeon RX 580 for a minimum settings or better for smoother gameplay. And storage guys, it's actually recommended to have SSD for faster loading times and smoother performance. So if your system meets the requirements, let's move on to the next step. Okay, step number two guys, outdated drivers are a common issue of game crashes and lagging. So for NVIDIA users, what you want to do is you want to go to the NVIDIA website, download GeForce Experience, and update your drivers. And if you're an AMD user, visit AMD's official website, download their software, and check for updates. Updating your drivers can solve many performance issues and improve the FPS. Step number three, guys, what we can do is adjust the in-game settings, okay? Lowering your graphic settings can actually significantly reduce lag and improve stability. So what you want to do, guys, you want to go to settings in the Dragon Age, the Veilguard, and you want to set the resolution to your monitor's native resolution, but you can try lowering it if the issue still persists, and set the graphics quality to medium or low. You want to turn off VSync and anti-aliasing as these can use a lot of GPU power. Also, guys, what you want to do is you want to lower the shadow quality and texture quality to ease the load on your system. So these adjustments will actually help if your game is lagging. If this still doesn't help, guys, you can do this. You can actually verify the game files if you're a Steam user, because corrupted files, guys, can cause crashes and freezing. So here's how you verify them, okay? You do this. You open Steam and you go to Library. You want to just right-click on Dragon Age, the Veilguard, and select on Properties, and then go to Install Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. So basically what Steam will do, Steam will scan and repair any corrupted files automatically, which can actually fix crashes. Another thing, guys, you can do is run the game as administrator and disable full screen optimization. This can actually help with compatibility issues. Just right click on the Dragon Age, the Veilguard shortcut, or the executable file. You just want to right click it and then go to properties and click on compatibility tab and just check on run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimization. Well, you can also just click apply and then click on OK to save the changes. And last but not least, guys, what you can do is actually increase your virtual memory. So if you're actually on low RAM, guys, what you can do is you can go to the control panel and then click on system and then go to advanced system settings, and then under performance you want to click on settings and go to the advanced tab and click on change under virtual memory, and you want to uncheck automatically manage paging file. Then you want to set the initial size and maximum size to the recommended values based on your RAM. You want to set to recommended value, click on set, and then click on apply, guys. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. And last but not least, what you can do, guys, is force close the background apps. So go to your task manager and you want to end all the apps that are using high CPU or memory, like browsers or streaming apps while you're playing the game. So guys, it's literally that easy and simple. These are the top methods to fix the lagging, crashing, and performance issues in Dragon Age, the Veilguard in 2024. I hope these methods helped. If it didn't, comment down below. I'll still try to help you out with more methods, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped, guys, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any other fixes. Good luck, guys, and enjoy the game.